Okay. So we have to start with the data from number 6, right? So this is on
Sure.
problem set 85, and this is number 6. So we have 41, 52, 63, 35, 43, 51, 54, 48, 65, and 38. So
Mhm.
that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in that first row. Will you double check my numbers while I'm writing the second set? Make sure I've got them right.
Yes, ma'am. 43, 59, 55, 65, 30,
Okay.
41,
So 31, 50, 45, 47, 54, 53, 62, 59, 42, 40, and 39. So there should be 10 in the second row as well. So that gives us
Yep.
a total of 20 scores, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so the stem and leaf plot, um, stem and the leaf. So our biggest number is in the 60s, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's 65.
And then our smallest number is in the 30s.
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to do 3, 4, 5, and 6 as our stems. And then
Mhm.
as I go through the list, I'm going to mark it off as I come to it. So 41, 52, 63,
30.
35, 43, 51, 54, 48. So not hard, just tedious, right? 38,
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that was 10. 31, 45, 47, 54. 50. You want your ice cream? 62, 59. Would you please ask Tag if he will get it down for you, honey? 42, 40, and 39. So I'm going to count all these, make sure I have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tag, would you mind getting her popsicle out that she had bitten off of the other day? That's in the freezer? Okay. Now I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. Okay, so I'm going to start with my my stem here. So 31
Mhm.
is first, right?
Yep.
Then 35, then 38.
38 and 39.
Mm-hmm. It's got all those.
I know why Hannah likes me so much.
Why?
I think
Oh, this should be 40 as
I
first.
think Hannah Cushman likes me so much because she laughs at whatever I say because I think she thinks my face is funny.
That's so sweet.
I know, right?
42, 43, 45, 47, and 48. Okay. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And then the 50s, 51 is first,
Mhm.
then 52,
52.
then 53, then 54, then 54, and then 59.
Mhm.
And then finally 62, 63, and 65. And then I'm just going to double check my count, make sure I've got 20. So this was 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So I've got all my numbers.
Mhm.
It determine the range of the numbers listed. I'm just going back through 6 just to make sure we understand how to do all this, so that for the video. So 31 and the range between 31 and 65, we find the difference. So 65.
Subtract the 34.
Yep. So the range is 34, the difference between the smallest and largest value. And then the median is the midmost number. Okay. So we're going to look. Go ahead. Tell me what we're supposed to do.
You would have to take 10 and 11 and subtract them. Or no, add them together and then divide by 2.
Right. So 47 and 48. That's going to be what? 1595. And then divide by 2. It should be like 48.5, I think.
There's 47.5.
47.5? Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so 47.5 is the median. And then the mode is the number that appears the most, or set of numbers that appears the most. So
54.
Yes. Okay. And then the mean would be if we added all of these up together.
Mean is awfully mean.
Yeah. So we have to add all these numbers up, right? So.
Yep. And when you add it all up and then divide by 20, it's 48.1.
Did you already check that answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what was the total when you added them all up?
I never wrote it down.
Okay.
I just added them all up and then divided from then. Okay.
So the mean is the average. So you add all and divide by 20. And Cy got what again?
48.1.
Okay. So we're going to go with that being correct. Okay. All right. Turning the page, we're going to number 7 now, and using the same data to create a frequency distribution using this problem. Okay. So
She's like smearing everything with this.
Okay. Thank you for not letting her do that. Okay, so we're taking our information that we have in our stem and leaf graph right here, and we're turning it basically like this, okay? So on the sides, the biggest that it goes up to is not, well, so we're turning it this way so that it's like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So that the numbers are going
yeah,
out.
so let me actually let me lasso that and turn it on its side so it makes sense. Sorry, man, you can't do that. You can't do that, babe. Sorry. I know, it's so terrible. Thanks, Heart. Could you take her where I can't hear her? Sorry, everybody that's listening to this video. Toddler time. All right. I can't flip it for some reason, but anyway, just realize that this is being flipped. Okay, so we're gonna have the information is gonna go on the bottom here. I'm trying to remember what those numbers were about. So the entire squad. Okay. Okay, there it is. All right. So it's the distances in kicks, right? Okay. So we're going to have, our smallest was 30. So it's going to be 30 to 40, right? From here to here.
Yep.
And then 40 to 50. And then 50 to 60. Okay. And
Yep.
then we're just going to go up the side. Let me give myself a little bit more room. So that's on the bottom of the table, and up the side of the table is going to be what the number of kicks is, right? So
3 through 6.
yeah, so it's going to be do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely did not leave myself enough room. Okay. Tag has Coke. He would like everybody to know he has Coke. All right. Move this down again. Okay. And 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So our first group goes up to 4, right? And then our second group goes up to 7. No. Oh, yeah, I didn't go up far enough. 7, 8. Okay. Goes up to 7. And then our third group goes to 6.
You have my pencil? No.
No, I don't. And the third group goes to 3. Okay. So, so our data is between 30 and 40 is 4 times up to this one, and then here, and then here, and then here. And then you can see the distribution of the data, right? So we've got most of our data is in this one right here, right? So that's why this one's the tallest. And then the next one is from 50 to 60. And then the 30 to 40 is right here, and the 60 to 70 is right here. Okay. And the
So the way you
mode,
graph it is just the amount of numbers that's in the columns.
yes.
So since 4 had 7, it went up to 7.
Yes.
Okay.
Does that make sense? So
Yeah.
there's only so anyway, and then this right here, the mode interval is whichever one has the most in it. So the
Okay.
mode interval is between 40 and 50.
Okay.
And then if we're determining what the percentage of the distances that were 49 yards or less, then we're gonna add these two columns together. So this one's 4 and this one's 7, right? So 4 plus 7.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's a total of 20. There's 20 different data points, right? So 4 plus 7.
11 divided by 20.
Mm-hmm. And then once we divide that, that gives us 55. And so to make that into a percentage, we multiply it times. It gives us 0.55, right? So that to make it into a percent, we multiply it by 100. So this is 0.55, and so that would be 55%. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. Thanks for asking the question, Sai. Do you have anything else?
No, I think I'm good on everything else.
Okay, great. Well, I'll see you tomorrow then.
Okay, thanks.